Hey Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to go over how exactly to add decimals for this example given. We've got 9.27 plus 12.9. And we'll start with step number 1, which is to line up the decimal point. So let's start by writing 9.27. Now that we have 9.27 here, we need to make sure that we follow what step 1 said, which was to line up the decimal point. So I'm going to look at this decimal point here and make sure the decimal point in my second number is directly underneath the first one, which means it's going to look something like this. And now that we have our numbers lined up, we can draw a line under everything and put our plus sign. And then we'll go to step 2, which is to bring down the decimal point. And what does that mean? Well, we have our decimal points in the question and they're perfectly lined up. When we say to bring down the decimal point, that means we're going to put the decimal point in the answer directly underneath the decimal points in the question. So it's going to get placed right below them here. Now that that's done, we can go on to step number 3, which is to annex zeros. And what exactly does that word annex mean? Well, it just means that whenever we have empty spaces to the right of the decimal point, that we can put zeros in those spaces as placeholders. Do you see any blanks to the right of this decimal point? Nope. Both place values have a number in them. But how about here? Well, we have a blank spot right next to this 9, so we'll annex a 0 right there, underneath the 7. Since there are no more empty spaces, that means we're good to go, and we'll start adding these numbers starting from the right column. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 2 plus 9 equals 11. But because that's 2 digits, we'll bring down 1 and then carry a 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we'll bring down the 2 and then carry the 1. And finally, 1 plus 1 equals 2, making our final answer 22.17, which is properly read as 22 and 17 hundredths. Well, Math Aces, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.